Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and this episode we will be building part 1-21 front axle of the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and let's continue building Clayton Undertype steam wagon. This episode we're going to work on the 121 front axle. So we click on part, okay, comes down. Now we need to come down here and change this into millimeters. And we're going to go to the right hand plane, normal, and right click and switch. Now we're going to go to cylinder, circle, make a cylinder, and doing the center and done. Smart dimension. Now the outside one's going to be 32. Going to be 32 radius, 32 circumference. 32 diameter. Not circumference, diameter, not radius. Yeah, from one side the other is diameter, halfway is radius. Our circle is circumference. That's going to be C2. Then we go feature, extrude, mid plane. That's going to be 266.5. We type mm, don't need to. And okay. And there is that one. 266.5. Didn't need to type mm, I just did that. You can type in like inches and that and it'll convert to over whatever you got in there. So okay, now you can do this one or two ways. We can just add on to it, extend out, which we'll probably do. Or you can go in the middle and just extend out full thing. It's going to work out the same, but we'll work on this way. Let me normal 2. Sketch. Going to circle, and that's going to be dead center. Out. Going to be smart dimension. That one's going to be 25 diameter. Now I'm just going to do this moment. I just want to see something so I can see a bit better. That's going to be 54. Before we do, we're going to go. No, let's do it this way. So that's going to be extrude. $54. Yep, there's that one. Now we can do that one. If we do direction 2, $54, that puts it there. But if we go to no way I can do it that one. No, so that's fine. So we just click OK. Now, do we have? No, I think there's some way you can do it. That's fine. We'll do this way. So normal 2. Sketch. Where'd sketch go? Get it. What am I in dimensions for? Do that one and sketch. There we go. Circle in the middle. That's going to be 25, I believe. Yep, 25. 25. And that's going to be, oh, there we go. There we go. That's going to be feature, extrude. That's going to be 54 and done. Oop, that's not what I meant to do. Yeah, thank you. And there's our first axle done. So we got 266.5. There's 54. And looking good. That's all we need to do on that one. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed that. We're slowly getting these pieces together. So click that like button if you enjoyed. Leave any comments if you've got any suggestions or questions or anything at all. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It does help me out. I'll see you next episode. And thank you again.